Hello. Activity 5. Speaking text. Personal information. My name is Sandra Troncoso. I'm 20 years old. I am from Tausa. I live in Tausa. I am studying psychology. My hobby is to travel different places. I work as a tour guide. I work in the different shifts, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. My favorite program is reflection programs. My favorite sport is jogging. My daily routine is in the morning. I wake up very early at 4. Then I prepare my breakfast. I eat. I usually have coffee or chocolate. I break and fruits. I had ready some things to my home. After that, I take a shower and I head dress. I brush my hair and I brush my teeth. Next, I take the bus to work. I am at work at 20 to 6 and I begin to work at 6 o'clock at noon. I have a break of 20 minutes to eat something and to do my activity breaks. In the afternoon, I finish my job at 2 o'clock. I take the bus to come back home. I read to have lunch. I have soup, rice, chicken, salad, and cuisine. After, I take a break and watch television for an hour. In the evening, I do housework. I eat a snack. I do my homework. I chat with my friends. At night, I prepare some things for my home. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you.